How to Organize a Kid's Room, the expert decor guide to stop toys being left on the floor. Sorting their stuff and knowing how to organize a kid's room is easy with these clever solutions for tots, teens, and in-betweens. When wondering how to organize a kid's room, there are a number of factors to consider. If you take the time to plan it properly, it will reap dividends for them and for you. Think of the time saved when they can easily access whatever it is they need, whether it's their school uniform or their favorite games. Clever kids' room ideas, or simple toy storage solutions, can enhance their independence too, as they're able to find their things themselves instead of asking you every time. Not only that, studies show that when a child's environment is calm and organized, it helps them to stay calm and organized too. The old adage, tidy desk, tidy mind, is as applicable to kids as it is to adults. Organizing a kid's room doesn't have to be complicated, says the interior designer Caroline Milnes of Sulu Fish. Depending on the size of the room, I would zone it loosely into sleep, storage, study, and play areas. How to organize a kid's room. 1. The more storage solutions, the more organized their room will be, says Caroline, who knows just how to design a kid's room. Take advantage of any nooks and crannies, and make them into hidden cupboards, drawers, or a secret shelving space that the kids can enjoy. Drawers are better for organization than shelves, as you can pull them out and see everything, says Caroline. And shallow drawers rather than deep ones, where you can lay their clothes out, enable them to find their own things too, adds Caroline. 2. Arrange books for easy bedtime reading. A useful method that can be used in playroom ideas to sort out their books and pass on any they've outgrown to charity or younger siblings, unless they're collectibles you'd like to keep. Separate reference or school books from fiction. Building shelves near the bed will make their favorite storybooks easily accessible when they're tucked up and you want to read with them. Bookshelves at different heights, starting low so smaller children can stack books away, are useful, says Caroline. For younger kids, front stacking shelves so the front of the books are on show helps them spot the ones they want to read. 3. Hang favorite items. Seen here are part of these boys' bedroom ideas. You can always make use of the walls with vertical storage solutions. Kids will always have various sports kits, party outfits, dressing up boxes, school uniform, and everyday clothes to store regardless of their age, says Caroline. So make sure there is plenty of hanging space, shelves, and drawers that are not too deep so items don't get lost. 4. Use steps for storage. Small or awkward spaces needn't be a barrier to an organized kid's room, but you will have to think creatively. These girls' bedroom ideas show what can be archived. If you're lucky enough to have an attic space above the kids' bedroom, consider utilizing this space to create a mezzanine level where you can put a separate den or study area, says Caroline. Storage in treads for stairs is also a good tip when it comes to maximizing any spare centimeters. 5. Create a cool study area. Ideal for use in teenage bedroom ideas is the introduction of a built-in desk. Creating a cool, calm, and quiet study area where children can do their homework will encourage them to knuckle down, enhance self-discipline, and help them to learn. It's important to separate work and play zones, says Caroline. Adding a dedicated study area once they've started school helps to future-proof the bedroom too, as study becomes more important and more frequent as children get older. 6. Get kids involved. We show clients and their kids the initial mood boards so they feel involved and can highlight favorite starting point design ideas, says Caroline. We also always develop the palette with them so they will like the finished scheme. As witnessed here in this great example of small boys' bedroom ideas, showcasing your kids' personality can truly help them to have a space they want to maintain. We've designed magnetic wallpaper walls, which are hugely popular. They are fun and patterned walls look good too. We make use of the walls with vertical storage solutions, so kids can add their own memorabilia to the walls to personalize their room and keep it organized, she adds. 7. Build upwards. Bunk beds are not a new idea, but they've come a long way in recent years, and any space that's not the floor is well worth utilizing as a sleep zone, giving you more space for kids' toy storage ideas. Bunk beds are hugely popular and space-saving, giving you the extra bed for sleepovers or joint sibling rooms, says Caroline. Those with a desk underneath, rather than another bed, high bunk beds with stairs to go up and a slide to come down, a den underneath or themed designs, are great options. 8. Make storage easy and fun. If you'd rather not spend precious time tidying up toys, make it easy and fun for kids to store them, such as these felt buckets in this project, by Joe Berryman. You could use any of the best laundry baskets, as they're ideal for Lego, plastic bricks, and other small items. Using baskets and boxes in areas within a room works really well, says Caroline. Label them with what belongs there, and make each place accessible and to the child so that they can easily get what they want and put it away when they've finished with it. 9. Keep ideas simple. Think ahead and keep the joinery design simple and colors neutral. That way it can more easily adapt as they grow up. The soft furnishings and decor can be updated more cost-effectively than bespoke wardrobes or cupboards, says Caroline. 10. Utilize awkward angles for shelving. Wardrobes and storage are key to keeping a kid's room tidy and organized, but it doesn't have to be boring. The design can be funky, fun and colorful whilst providing great storage solutions, says Caroline. Don't be afraid to go bold with color, especially with paint and wallpaper, which can be replaced more easily. We love funky finishes inside wardrobes and alcoves.